Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening settings and choosing connected devices. Now tap on pair new device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, just tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now wait for the pop-up and select pair in it. Then wait for this device, in my case Poco, to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this gear icon next to the device, choosing forget and tapping on forget device in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!